In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Elementor into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagic. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this example, I am using my WordPress demo page inside the Elementor editor. The button is controlled in Elementor. The destination is an Elementor landing page that visitors should reach after clicking. Here is the button I want to track. At the moment, it uses a normal direct link. That direct link can send visitors to the landing page, but it does not give me a simple ClickMagic report for this exact button. First, I will open the Elementor landing page in a new tab. This is the page visitors should land on. I will copy the direct link from the browser so I can use it as the destination inside ClickMagic. Now I will open ClickMagic and create a new tracking link. For the link name, I will use Elementor Landing Page Demo. Then I will paste the Elementor landing page link into the destination field. This tells ClickMagic where to send visitors after the click is recorded. Now I will save the tracking link. ClickMagic creates a new tracking link for this Elementor destination. I will copy the tracking link and go back to the Elementor editor. Next, I will select the button on the WordPress demo page. In the button link field, I will replace the old direct link with the ClickMagic tracking link. The button label stays the same. The design does not need to change. Only the link behind the button is different. Now I will update the Elementor page and open the live version. I will click the button once to create a test click. The same Elementor landing page opens, so the visitor still reaches the correct destination. Now I will return to ClickMagic and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now recorded. This is where I can see how many clicks this Elementor link receives. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now the Elementor button on my WordPress demo page gives me clear click data inside ClickMagic. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagic for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.